What's up, YouTube? Giants269 coming back at you with a couple more box breaks. I picked up 2 boxes of the new 09-10 Panini Court Kings. So 2 boxes right here. I'm gonna start off with the first box. This box number, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's box number 36. 36. First time breaking open this product. It just came out last week, I think, so don't really know what to expect. I know there's only 1 pack in here. And this is the box topper. I'm gonna have to cut this. Try to cut the card. It's supposed to be Brandon Jennings, 110 out of 349. Brandon Jennings. Pretty nice. Too bad it's not autographed. Sometimes those big cards are autographed. Checklist. And here's the pack. Pretty thick pack. Whoops, that's not good. I'm gonna cut this again.
How many cards are there?
It's like 11 cards or something, I'm not sure. Anyways, can't even see. Lewis Williams, first card, base card. Then we have Andrea Bargnani, Kendrick Perkins, the Celtics, Carlos Boozer. This one's 117 out of 249. Carlos Boozer. What is this? Rockets. It's I can't even see. Shane Battier, 32 out of 49. Low number. First hit. It's pretty nice. It's Carmelo jersey. It's out of 299. As you can see. It's the first hit. The second hit is Jason Kidd jersey. You know Jason Kidd, honey?
Yeah.
299. Local guy from autograph. Tyler Hansbrough. Ugh. Tyler Hansbrough auto. Next hit. Ooh.
What's that?
Andrew Bynum. I saw the Lakers, I thought it was Kobe. Andrew Bynum dual jersey. Purple and gold. And the last hit is a Drew Holiday autograph. And this is the Harry Gallatin. It's actually a lot of hits, honey. Huh? It's pretty cool.
It's expensive.
This is my second box, last box here. I only picked up 2 of these, just try it out. Let you guys know this box is box 71. You guys can see it. Box 71. Box topper. Hopefully this time we get an autograph version now.
Big one.
It's a big card.
Huge one.
The Lakers.
Uh-oh.
A Kobe autograph?
Oh.
305. No. Bob McAdoo. Not autograph. Oh, McAdoo. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Last pack. It's hard to read the writings on here. This is first card is John Salmons. Second card is Kevin Martin. Louis Dampier. All these cards are numbered actually. It's kind of cool. Joakim Noah. This is of who is this? Steven Jackson. Steven Jackson Gallery Stars. And this one is Dwight Howard. Okay, Dwight Howard. That one's numbered to 149. First hit is Carmelo Anthony again. Huh? It's two Carmelo Anthonys.
Same jersey.
Huh? Yeah. And then this one is, who is this? Tayshaun Prince. Tayshaun Prince. White jersey. Rudy Gay. White jersey. Old school autograph. This one is George McGinnis. George McGinnis autograph. And that one is numbered to 49. Last hit is, that's not a hit, that's Emeka Okafor. Okay, let's lay out the hits. Give me a second, honey. Lay out the hits. Actually, I got more hits in this pack.
The
first
second
pack.
box?
The first box. Well, the Carmelo is different. The one that's Dribble Kings. So I got 2, 4, 5 hits, and this is 4. So not bad. One of the boxes I got 5 hits actually. So these are the hits, guys. Got a Dribble Kings Carmelo jersey, and I have the Hardwood Heroes Carmelo jersey, and then this is the Dribble Kings jersey. Jason Kidd jersey. Tyler Hansbrough auto. This is Andrew Bynum jersey. Two jerseys, dual jersey. This is Drew Holiday auto. George McGinnis old school auto. Rudy Gay jersey. And the last one is Tayshaun Prince jersey. 2 boxes, all in all, it's 9 hits. Not too bad. Wish they were a little bit better hits though. But I'll take that, and then my 2 box toppers are here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Giants269, I'm out.